DespairRepair.com. Hello everyone, welcome to DespairRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to change the cabin filter on a Skoda Fabia Mark 1 like this one. The first thing you have to do when changing the cabin air filter is to find where it is. On this Skoda, the air filter, cabin air filter location is here. Right here, okay? Hope you can see my hand. So it's under the dash on the right side of the middle console, right here. Okay, so the first thing to do in order to be able to approach the air filter housing is to pull the seat back as much as possible. Now we're going to go under the dashboard. Okay, as you can see, it would be best to use a lamp so you have some light down there because it's pretty dark. And there you have it. This is the cabin air filter housing. This is the lid of the housing that you're supposed to take off to remove the cabin filter. As you can see, there are two sliders. This is the one, this is the other. The first thing you should do is to pull the sliders one towards the other. So we pull one and we push the other. This is what it's supposed to look like once you release the holders. After that, take hold of the lid on the lower side and gently take it off. And there you have it. This is where the air filter is placed. The air filter, as you can see, has a holder of its own, and just take the holder and pull the air filter out like this, and take it out like this. And there you have it. The cabin air filter is out. The system much resembles the system of the VHS cassette, if anybody remembers that. Now the cabin air filter is outside. As you can see, this is the old one and this is the new one. You can clearly see the difference. The old one is all dirty and clogged up. By the way, some of the sure symptoms that it's time to change the cabin air filter is that you'll get smudges on the lower part of the windshield once you turn the climate control on. You'll get a bad smell inside the cabin, like a moldy bad smell. And once you turn on the climate control, the ventilation circulation is not as good as usual. Now, the first thing you should do is get the old air filter outside of the holder. So just pull it up like this. Pull it out on all four corners. Now, as you can see, on the air filter you'll have a marking on the old one and the new one, the airflow. Don't turn it upside down, or the ventilation circulation inside the cabin won't be as it should be. Okay, so there's arrows here which show the airflow. Be sure to put the new one, which has also an arrow, to point the same way, like this. Okay, and on the holder you'll also have an arrow and a sign that says airflow. Make sure that the arrows are pointed the same way. So now we take the new filter, put it inside like this. Have some patience here. It's pretty wiggly since it's new. Put it here and here. Make sure it sits firmly inside the holder. Now we're back inside the passenger's cabin and we're going to return the air filter back into place. So the first thing you do is to insert the filter like this and just push it up as far as it goes. Make sure it sits in properly. Should look something like this. After that, we will return the lid back into place. Like this. Make sure the lid sits in properly. Like this. And after that, push the sliders back into place. And this is what it should look like when everything is over. And there you have it. The air filter replacement is done. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. For more information on how to do checkups and simple repairs around the car, be sure to visit us at dispairrepair.com.